Oh, this was a hard question, but I'm a human just like you are and trying to figure that out. AI is not in control. It's how you use AI. Ultimately, we're in a human business. They spend years, if not a decade, doing the copying and pasting. You really shouldn't spend any time doing that. No one is learning really well. COVID really changed where we were working, and AI is really changing how we work. The gift that AI is it can do the production work for us. It's going to be better designed because there's a lot less pressure and people have more time. They thought, well, let's invest in our young professional. Everyone at the firm has stayed. Not one person has left. You become a lot more human if you use AI and use it properly. It really comes down to leadership and how they want to reflect their values.